Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Panasonic SC-HC27 Stereo radio music player and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this radio is not working, if the buttons are not responding, if it's not connecting to your device, anything like that can very often be fixed with a hard reset. Also, if you just want to wipe all the presets off so you can set this up like it's just coming out of the box new, this will do that as well. It's real easy to do. All we need to do is, first things first, we're just going to unplug the radio. Unplug the stereo from the wall. Once it's unplugged from the wall, we're just going to let it sit for at least 3 minutes. After those 3 minutes are up, we're going to come and find the power button and press and hold the power button. And while pressing and holding the power button, we're going to go ahead and plug the stereo back into the wall. And just keep holding the power button, keeping an eye on this display. And it's going to power up, and when you see, you should just, if it works right, you should just get a bunch of dashes come across the screen, dash, 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 at which point you could just let go of the power button, and it will have been restored to its factory default settings. You can set it up like a new device.